Sanibonani guys, igama unqabeleni phasela mazibela Inimba ngomhla ka-4 May. Guys, uqhawekazi bekade ndiwazile-ke nge-breakfast time. Kubonakala nje ukuthi uzoleka beno-Lazarus bakhuluma bodwa laphaya. Bebebhizi-ke behlela ikusasa likabavumile bekhuluma ngokuthi uzoya kusiphi isikole, kodwa uqhawekazi bekade edla i-breakfast kodwa umqondo wakhe kubonakala ukuthi awukho laphaya. Uze waphahluka uzoleka wathi, hayi bo mntanami, uphi? Wathi hayi ndikhona mama, ndilapha. Kubonakala nje ukuthi ugele uyasho kodwa nje hayi ngokomqondo ukude ule emajukujukwini omhlaba. Qedanga-ke lapho uqhawekazi uhambile-ke waya e-ofisini lika-Azande. Uthe membono u-Azande qhamuka uqhawekazi wasukuma ngisho esihlalweni sakhe wathi, oh qhawekazi, come in. Wabuza uqhawekazi ukuthi unawo umzuzu? Wathi, ayi for wena ndinane hora lonke, 1 hour or 2, even the whole day for wena. Hawu. Wathi uyazi, bendingafuna ukufonela nge-weekend, bendifuna uba ube nexesha elininzi lokucingisisa ngale nto esathetha ngayo. Guys, uqhawekazi ushilo wathi, hayi kona ndiyakuva. Yazi iKhusela Tech indakhile mina, ndingilo muntu endinguye ngenxa yeKhusela Tech. Wathi, yes I know, which is why kuzomele-ke manje uspread ama-wings akho ufly away. Uyazi ukuthi lapha eKhusela Tech uma uhlala khona uyohlezi njalo uvalelekile. And another thing that you should know is, uma ukuthi iyaphumelela ngempela le biotechnology yakho, hayi abantu abazomqhakambisa uzoleka kanye nayo Lazarus. Hayi wena nje uzoba i-jewel lalapha eKhusela Tech. Your name will never be hid. Awufuni wena ukuzakhelela igama, Don't you wanna tell your own story? Don't you wanna start your own thing? Uye kuhlezi njalo ungaphansi kwey'thunzi zabazali bakho. Ikonke lokho guys kwamhalisa uqhawekazi mekuchaza u-Azande, and Azande is so good at manipulating people, especially young minds. Hayi, but anyway guys, akupheli lapho. Umbuzile-ke uqhawekazi washo ukuthi yazi phela nami ngikrelekrele, andisona isidumo. So tell me, wena uzozuza ntoni ngayo yonke lento? What is it in for you? Wamane wahleka kancane u-Azande wathi, uyazi kudala ndibona abantu ama-young tech like you, yabo. So isikhathi esiningi abantu abadala kule industry, they always swallow them up. Mina bendithanda uba wena uzakhelela igama, yabo. One day ube nawe your own person, nami ngibona ukuthi ngibe neqhaza lokuthi ngigqugquzele a young tech ibe yinto ekade ayifuna ukuba yiyona independently. Guys, uqhawekazi uthe ayi mina bandla, iKhusela Tech indakhile kaloku, futhi ayikho into engiyaziyo ngaphandle kweKhusela Tech. Ngilo muntu enguyena because of iKhusela Tech, so angeke ngikwazi ukuba ngibetray abazali bami. Wathi if that's what you want, u-Azande upretenda sengathi akamncengile uqhawekazi. Uqhawekazi-ke naye, she's slowly buying into the story. Uhambile kophuma ngomnyango kodwa kubonakala nje ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe isele ngemuva eKhusela Tech. But-ke singakubeka eceleni ukuthi nale deal leka-Azande is also tempting for uqhawekazi. So kwamanje nje uphume nje e-ofisini lika-Azande undecided ukuthi ngabe uyahlala yena eKhusela Tech noma uyahamba ugirl. Akupheli-ke lapho, uhambile-ke uNtombo waya kumngani wakhe uZethu eyomcelela phela ngalezi zindaba. Ushilo ukuthi uyazi kade ngangifuna uba ngibe nento yami nami ebiza igama lami, into endizisungulele yona myself. Yazi useyasho kuZethu ukuthi hayi kona ungakhohlwa phela la uvela khona ukuthi but still yabona nje iKhusela Tech yona ingakhile, but yazi mengase kuthiwa ngampela I become my own person, that would be nice. Qedanga lapho girl uhambile-ke waya kunina uzoleka, wayombuza umbuzo onzima wathi, mama akutsho kaloku, ngabe unalo yini iphupho lokuthi ushiyele mina le legacy eKhusela Tech one day, just like most of fathers leave their legacies to their sons? Wathi mntanami, yazi kakade ndandiyicinga leyo nto leyo. Phela yazi ngathi mengibuya lapha phesheya kwelwandle ndiva uba nawo la under i-tech ngajabula, ndavuya Because ngase ngibona ukuthi-ke ngelinye ilanga you will also run this business. Hhayi kanti uqhawekazi useza na-more questions. Wathi, mama awungixelele kaloku, ngabe ucabangani ngokuthi yabo ngibe independent nami ngibe nento yami endizozakhela yona nje negama lami engizolakha myself, ngingaloke ngaphansi kwesikhusalateka. Uzoleka wasondela eduze message uqhawekazi ekhuluma kanje. Wathi, hhayi mntanami, kona it's such a good idea but not now. Yabona okwangoku udinga ukuba ugene experience, growth. Yabona ukwazi ukuthi ube nesikhathi, you need ixesha elide lokuba ungene uzinze kule industry ukuze uma yakho into yakho iyakhe ikwazi ukuthi ivuke globally, ibe exposed, ingabi into ezofadalala. Ngoba if you start being independent now, whatever that you're gonna start, it's gonna fail. So you need experience. Okay, so maybe after 10 years from now, ungakhona ukuthi usungulele into yakho, and I believe that whatever that you're gonna come up with, it's gonna be successful because you are my daughter. But for now, you are not ready. Ha! Kanti usho wonke lamazwi nje uqhawekazi yena akacabangeli 10 years from now, akacabangeli 20 years from now, ucabangele now. Hey guys, ngoba impela umuntu akakwazi ukungena engqondweni yomuntu ukuba ubazi uzoleka ukuthi lo mntana ubuzela into yamanje. Hey, mhlawumbe bezozama ukuthi yabo I'm convince ukuthi this is such a bad idea. Guys, it's a wrong move. But-ke when Qhawekazi has made up her mind, akekho omunye ongamthinta guys, because Azande ubhizi lo emhlebelela amazwi amnandi anoshukela. So ugirl ngiyambona ukuthi uzothatheka. Ugirl uzothatheka guys. I'm sure of it. U-Onga-ke naye ngala ubhizi uzama ukuvusa uLazarus, uyamtshela ukuthi hey, this guy I do not trust him. Yabona indlela amuva ngayo, indlela awokha ngayo, indlela akhuluma ngayo. We need to be careful of Azande. Azande shouldn't be trusted. And noLazarus uyabona ukuthi sengathi bathatha inyoka bayifake endlini. They did a very, very wrong decision lapha ngokuthi-ke bathatha u-Azande bathi akangene lapha kuleya nkampani because ngathi balethe isitha uqobo lwaso basifake endlini. Manje sizokugenca kwasani, singashiyi kwasani. Guys, okunye-ke ngaphezu kwalokho, uXolani cousin kaLikamva ubhizi ufuna uZethu. Hey, and ubanjiwe-ke, ebanjwe uma wakhe, and uma wakhe umane wathwala izandla ekhanda wathi maye emaningi kangaka amantombazane eXolani, waze wakhetha uZethu pho. Wazi kahle ukuthi bekade i-girlfriend kaLikamva. Yowe, kanti ubhizi uyanibuza uba ucela i-advice, kwenzekalani uma uthandana nomuntu okade ethandana nomuntu omaziyo kanti ukhuluma ngoZethu. Yey, Xolani, yo bawo undenza ntoni mntanami? Guys, kuye kuthiwa inhliziyo kayiphakelwa kodwa le ayizohlala kahle emndenini, kahle kahle le ngane izoxova umndeni ngoba uHlathi benothumeka. Yebo khona-ke babengenayo yabo leyo connection with uZethu, babengambona nokumbona as umakoti kaLikamva wakusasa. But uma ngase bethole ukuthi ngampela usithandana noXolani, yo Thumeka would just say ngangishilo, hey ndatsho ukuba le ntombazana yimlungu langa uKamva wami. And then uHlathi-ke would also, say a thing or two about uXolani ukuthi wena bendikuthethisa zolo lokho ngithi kungani ungasixelelanga ukuthi uyanga ungeniswe esibhedlela ngoku usufuna manje i-girlfriend kamfowabo, like really, and you calling yourself family, and ngikuthathile ngakufaka ngaphansi kwekhwapha lami ngathi ngena enkampanini yami ukuthi uzongiklinela lapha kanti ubhizi uzolandelana ne-girlfriend yanyana wami ongasekho. Guys, kusazoba shooped emndenini wakaMabandla, and I hope uXolani lento ayiqalayo uyayazi ukuthi izophetha kabuhlungu kanjani. Guys, aphela lapho-ke amazibela namhlanje, ningakhohlwa subscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama unqabile niphasela amazibela eInimba ngomhla ka 4 May. Guys,